So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. As you can see, this is the MIUI NFS Need for Speed 12.5. This is the official ROM available for Redmi 5 Rozi. Yes, this is the official ROM trailer version. As you can see, F1.2. Here you can see, let's check the old specification. As you can see, this is the MIUI NFS 12.5 official. All the version information will be available here. Let's check the old specification. This is the new build available for Redmi 5 Rozi. Here you can see this is the device model name Redmi 5. As you can see, you will get the Android version 10 in this ROM. Right now Android 10 is same. No Android 11 is available in this ROM. Soon Android 11 will be available, so you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. We will update you, so don't worry, and you will get the security patch. Here you can see February security patch is installed in this ROM, and MIUI version model MDG1, and kernel is SQLite kernel is installed in this ROM, so you can change it according to your use. Now let's check other features of this ROM. What are the new features and the change logs of this ROM? First, let's talk about the changes. What change logs are there in this ROM? Let me show you. As you can see, wait a minute. So here are the change logs. As you can see, double tap check for the gestures is working perfectly. Go back to the previous app. Mirror buttons is also available. As you can see, let me show you mirror buttons. Here you can see mirror button is available. It is working perfectly smoothly, fine without any problem. And here is the status bar is also working without any problem. As you can see, now let's check rounded corner styles is also available. We will not all check all the features, we will check the change logs only. So as I have already made the video of all the features of this ROM, you can check that video. So rounded corners, here is the round screen. As you can see, you can customize it according to your use, whichever you want. You can customize it. Rounded corner is available. As you can see, you can custom create it, or you can apply it according to your use. And clear speaker is available. Do not disturb. Custom sound, here are the full custom sounds. As you can see, here are the clear speaker is available. It works perfectly, but I don't know. As you can see, it works perfectly. Do not disturb is available. Regular, silent, DND. As you can see, all other features in the NFS setting. Here is the NFS settings. As you can see, profile video for the incoming call is also available. Custom ringtone, and the custom ringtones is also available. As you can see, profile video is also available. These all are the new features. As you can see, it will require internet to check. Balance exhausted. Right now Jio is not working, that's why I'm not able to tell you about that. And many more features are there. As you can see, dial pad tone, tap sound, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, boot audio is also available. If you want that I should hold my phone in my hand, you can comment down below. Relayout, status bar style, and add new features. Asian color text notification is also available. All these features I have already covered in the previous video. You can check it according to your use. You should enable the feature. You should only enable the feature which you want. If you enable all the features, your battery drain will be quickly, or your battery will drain very quickly. Optimized panel style is also available. Custom logo in the status bar. Now here you will see that the notification icon is on the bottom of the clock. As you can see, these are the changes in this ROM. And always on display, let's check the always on display. Always on display is working perfectly. There is no problem in always on display. Let me show you. As you can see, you have to schedule it according to your use. Turn off when the battery is save. Display always. Now let's check the always on display. Here is the always on display. As you can see, always on display is working perfectly without any problem, so you can use it according to your use. If you want to use always on display, you can use the always on display. And here are some of the features. Change logs, dual status bar is also available. Relayout brightness in the panel, and more. These are the new features and the new changes in this ROM. And NFC standby, custom status bar, dual network icon, battery style, dual network icon is also available in this ROM. So always on display is working perfectly without any problem. Sleep is working, raise to wake is working, double tap to wake is working perfectly. Tap fingerprint sensor to wake is also working. And lock screen format, you can change the lock screen format also, so don't worry, each and every feature working. And Geo is also working, there is no problem in the Geo SIM. As you can see, Volt is also working, HD icon is also coming. As you can see, here is the brightness is working perfectly without any problem. Data is working, Volt is working, each and every feature is working. Now let's set the password and security. How fast is the face unlock and the fingerprint of our device? Is it lightning fast or not? Let me apply the let me apply the password first. 1 2 3 4. So now let's check the vibration is working while applying the fingerprint. Fingerprint you can easily apply without any problem. It is very fast. Tap open. As you can see, ambient display is also working, and the fingerprint speed is just amazing. There is no delay in the fingerprint speed. And now let's check the face unlock speed also. How fast is the face unlock speed? How is the performance of the face unlock? Let me apply the face unlock first. You can check the changes from here, change logs. Let me apply the face unlock until you read the changes. So now here you can see I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the face unlock speed. How fast is the face unlock? As you can see right now, it is little bit lag. In the starting you will a little bit lag only in the starting only. After that the face unlock and the fingerprint speed is just amazing, lightning fast. Face unlock is faster than fingerprint. I really like this ROM. So if you want it for daily usage, you can use this ROM for daily usage also. I recommend this ROM. We will also have the Call of Duty, so don't worry if you want. And the sound is working, vibration is working, in each and every feature is working. Whichever the bug I will face, I will upload or write down in the description, so you can check the description also. And the wallpapers are the same. Some of the you can download the wallpapers via mi login account also. Mi account is working perfectly, you can easily log in. And Google account is working, it is gaps is inbuilt, so no need to flash any bug or fix. Location is also working, and on the all the change logs will be written in the description. And these are the date and time. You can set it. If you don't want this, you can adjust it according to your use. If you want dual clock, second clock, whichever you want. Time format also, text size also is also available from here. NFC part, here is the NFC voice same part. Select permissive across, permissed across. Here you will see that here is the volume panel, and here is the power menu. Custom display, you can check it. Anti-flickering mode, beauty mode, reduce animation, hide notch, double check for the gestures. And the status bar, you can check the status bar. If you whichever you want, you can change it according to your use. As you can see, it is working perfectly without any problem. You can apply it according to your use, whichever you want. It works 100% accurate. Dual network icon is also available. As you can see, here is the network icon. Battery style MIUI 10 is also available. It works perfectly. Asian text notification is also available. Custom logo, you can change the logo also from here. Here you can see BD, I think it is cigarette location, smoking, blackberry, जिसे हम BD बोलते हैं. Cake is also available. As you can see, whichever you want. Death star is also available. Lock position, left right, you can switch it according to your use, whichever you want. And QoS styles, here is some of the QoS styles. Network setting is also available. Network traffic indicator is also available. As you can see, type unblink, downblink, up down, whichever you want. Dynamic is also available. Size, you can check the single net font size is also. Hide arrow, if you want to hide the arrow, you can hide the arrow also. And the connection sharing, Bluetooth is working, hotspot is also working. Let me show you hotspot. Wi-Fi is also working perfectly without any problem. Here is the hotspot. Let me turn on the hotspot. As you can see, hotspot is also working, so you can check it. Now let's set the gaming performance, and the battery performance is also good in this ROM. You will not feel any problem in the usage. The battery performance is good, better than the previous MIUI 12, which is available for MIUI 12.5 NFC version. And AnTuTu benchmark is not working right now. I will update you in the description, or I will attach the photo if it works, then only. So now let's check the gaming performance, Call of Duty performance. First let's check the safety net, whether it is passed or not. Let me show you. Run test, wait for few seconds. Let me turn on the hotspot of my device. So guys, now let's have the gaming performance of this ROM. As you can see, you will feel the lag in this ROM while you are playing the game. I am 100% sure you will feel the lag, and the lag is very dangerous one, and the lag is very big one. As you can see, in the starting you will feel more lag. As you can see right now, as you can see, the ROM is lagging very much while playing the game, as enemy is not nearby. Only, as you can see, oh, lag is very much lag. As you can see, I'm not able to play the game. And the sound is coming from my device when the phone lags, like it just stuck on the same sound. As you can see, when a new game near, phone is lagging very much. So for gaming performance, I don't recommend this ROM. For daily usage, if you want normal usage, you can install it. But when I flashed the but when I installed this ROM, when I play the game, the phone is lagging very much. Boom आ गया यहाँ पे. As you can see, I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. I simply don't recommend. Very much laggy, as you can see. You will not feel that you are playing a game. So so I don't recommend this ROM. If you want, you can check it according to your use. My device RAM is 2 GB and 16 GB ROM. As you can see, it is very laggy, very much laggy. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.